tutorial, as I said in one of my latest videos, that I would be doing one of these to show you how to draw a cat. I think that was in the one when I did the chest, so anywho. Okay, yeah, I'm on Ibis Paint, and that drawing is, like, super bad, and I don't know how to delete it because I just got Ibis Paint. But don't worry, this one's actually going to be pretty good, because this is a voiceover. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm getting a new blank page, and I'm just going to start working. I'm going to choose my pencil. I like to do coarse pencil light, and then it's already, I changed the opacity, I don't know, to make it more transparent. And here's me struggling for a long time and trying to get a good circle. Hashtag the struggle is real, LOL. I'm so weird. Yeah, all my circles looked horrible. Just me trying to do a circle. I eventually ended up pausing the video to get a new circle. Like, you know, see? Okay, yep, that's a good one because I had paused it, so. You get the circle, draw your guidelines. Always make the guidelines. I like to try to make the guidelines lighter than the outer circle. Okay, so kind of put it more to the left for the one that goes horizontal, and then the vertical one where you want the kind of like in the middle or a tad bit higher. I like to do it in the middle. Make it, yeah, like kind of like more to the left, like that, yeah. Okay. So then you're gonna want to change the, make the line a lot darker and kind of put kind of a long thing. Make sure most of the, like the line kind of goes to the right a bit more. I made mine way too long, as you'll see later. Because these are your guidelines, and just ignore the line on the right, but put it on the right. It just really helps a lot. So I got that. Now it's time to start drawing in the eyes. So I draw in the eyes on this side. See, like that line? You just ignore that line. So just use from the center line, the horizontal one. So that's an eye shape, and then we need to get this other one. As I said, I made this one too long, so as you see there, like take off like that much, or maybe that much. That's probably best. And then, you know, just, you know, start doing the eye. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, so yeah, now you start drawing the eye, and this is kind of difficult. I end up like outlining the top of the top of the left eye and the bottom of the left eye, just to make things easier, like that. Technically, like another type of guideline. I just leave it there because, you know, you're gonna do another layer. And I screenshotted that because I like to screenshot bases to get like a reference of what I've already drawn, if it's pretty good. So now I'm gonna draw in what type, like the eyes, like line is gonna be like the pupil. I like to do full big black pupil. That one killed me. I had to erase the left one. Like the left one just looks horrible. I'm gonna start drawing. I like to do big eyelashes, so yeah. And yes, the eyelashes are going off the head, kind of like that. These, I feel like I made them too big, but they end up looking okay. And there's me trying to erase that terrible line again. So I'm gonna redo the pupil on my my left eye, because as I told you, I hate it. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the nose, kind of like right underneath that baseline. Yeah, I gotta make it smaller. That's too small, and I gotta make it bigger. And then I normally do it dark too, and that looks horrible. It's kind of hard to find the placement for the nose. Once you do it, it looks great, but the nose really completes the drawing. If it's not in the right position, place, it looks just like horrible. I think that's it. Okay, now 10 for the mouth. The mouth is the whole thing. There's two styles of mouth I do. See? Like, I'm trying out that mouth, not. Like, the mouth you can do the, like, this one. They're all, like, the same kind, because they, all have that little ridge up there. So they're on the same category. Or you could do that one, which I like. I'm trying it out here, and I loved it so much I just kept it. Because I'm like, okay, yep, I'm not going to erase that. So I have that done. And then I'm going to start drawing the ears. And yes, I screenshotted the base again. Okay, now the ears, I made the line too dark, but that was a kind of good ear shape, so I kept it. And then kind of like draw a line to make it kind of like outlined a little bit like that. I'm trying to make it better. I feel like the right one was a bit too big. The right side was too puffy. And yeah, and then I got that one good. I'll draw the ear fluff later. Oh, tired. LOL. Why am I saying LOL? I'm so weird. So now I'm drawing the ear kind of like pointed backwards. I paused it for some reason. I guess to save time. So I got that kind of like looking backwards kind of see. And then I drew another line to show like the inside of the ear. And then the hair fluff, I always forget to do the hair fluff. And this time I remembered. And it always takes me a couple tries. I just paused it eventually and did that. Okay. So the chest fluff and then like the outer thing, I guess. Technically that's it. So I'm going to do another layer. Okay. And now for the outline, I do another layer specifically for the outline and make the first layer, the base layer, kind of, opaque a bit more. No, opaque, not opaque. Like lighter. And I draw the ear fluff for the head, and I'm outlining it, and so I have it all outlined. I do another layer for the coloring, and you want to like turn off your first layer if you can, and then I colored it, and you see the Fun All Day and the cocoa thing. That is a whole nother layer for the cocoa and for your signature. But yeah, there we go. Bye!